Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I am out here on National Train Day, so happy National Train Day to all of you. Got M647 coming up right now. The arms are going down for him. He's got a Canadian Pacific leader today. Keisha's feeling much better. She's at home getting her much needed rest. But here comes 647. I'm gonna get him and I'm gonna show you 128 first, then I'll show you 647. All right, I didn't think that our county tested any sirens anymore, but here you go.
Of the city of Greenbrier warning system. This is only a test.
Well then, I didn't think that our county tested the sirens anymore, but apparently this town does. Okay, about a few minutes after the tornado siren test, I hear a southbound coming up, another one. So we're gonna see who this is. I'm not sure who this is. Don't got any word. Maybe 25. I don't know. We'll see. All right, so I shot 128 one more time at Stadler's, and here's the picture now. It's next to a silo and stuff, but coming back to Guthrie, and we got 3805 sitting right here, and 3804. This is the power for the RJ Corman Guthrie, or not Guthrie, Clarksville local. On the old L&N ex-Memphis line. So it used to be a diamond right there where those signals are, but that's been cut out. But so yeah, there's RJ Corman power, and I'm gonna go check the signals and go back down to Sadler's. It's a small community. All right, so this is Sadler's, Tennessee, a small community located south of Guthrie and the Kentucky-Tennessee state border. This is the same place that I got 128 from. But speaking of 26, that is 1 out of 4 trains that are coming. The next one is 500, and then 217, and then that grain train. So we'll see when they get here. I think 500 is ahead of 26 at this point right now, from what I've heard. But we'll see how long that lasts. They might put 20, or they might put 500 in it, siding at Cortland, and then let 26 go around them. But we'll see. I'm just gonna wait here and see what comes. All right, so I hear northbound I'm not sure if it's 26 or 500. I'm up down here at the south or north end of Cedar Hill, I should say. But once this train clears, and if there's another one behind it, I'm gonna go up to back up to where I was earlier, maybe a little bit south than that, to get the other northbound. But we'll see who it is. Not really sure, like I said, but we'll see. All right, so 500 is in the siding for IO26. I just heard IO26 blow for the downtown crossings in Cedar Hill. So he should be here any minute now. And I guess that'll be the only thing that 500 waits for, I think. But we will see. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my phone set up on the tripod and get 26, then 25. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go up to where I once was earlier to get him. We'll see. Because it'll kind of be hard to get up there. But we'll see. I don't know. I'll think about it. But I'm going to get set up for 26. All right. I'll let you listen to this horn. $500 is out, so I'm gonna go get him right now. All right, y'all. So I've still got two more southbounds. It's the two that I spoke about earlier, the Grainer and M217. M217 is actually a new train that runs on this line. It's been running for about a month. It's all auto rats going from Philadelphia to Wauhatchie near Chattanooga. So he should be coming. I think he's got to meet, still got to meet 26 if he has already done that. And he's still got to meet 500 too. But I'm going to get down the road, go back towards home, get me some Wendy's, and then I'm going to go check the signals and wait for these two southbounds. All right, got my Wendy's. I'm still not sure where on earth the northbound or the southbound Grainer that I spoke about or the auto rack train that I spoke about are at. As I was pulling out of the Wendy's, there was a northbound empty ethanol that I missed and did not know that was coming. Had a Canadian National Trail in second. It was a -9, I believe. So, don't know, but it's red, I think. Yep, still red. I'm gonna check it one more time, and if it's not, if nothing's lit up, I'm gonna go home and then end the video, obviously. But also go home and then edit this video, get it up. All right, y'all. So after I got done eating my Wendy's, I checked the signals and nothing was lined. So I don't know where 217 and this grinder went. They both kind of disappeared on me. But 7 trains and 2 foreign power visitors from 2 different railroads, and they're both Canadian, is not bad for today. And that's not bad. It's always a good day when you catch foreign visitors on your hometown line. And yeah, so hope you enjoyed today's video. And I'll do another one of these videos next year when this day rolls around. But until then, it's going to be trains, a little bit of trains here and there every now and then. But hope you enjoyed it, and we'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye, guys.